So we are finally departing Rowe from Do'o. We're going to miss this beautiful place. We'll definitely come back here. It's a very nice part of Indonesia. We're going to take off at midnight tonight so that we're sailing into the day tomorrow as opposed to sailing all night tonight. So I think that's a better option. But I just thought, yeah, the moon's out, sun's setting, we're just going to have a little rest and then set sail to Savu.
Yay.
A new place.
It's so beautiful.
Another new place. It's a good thing about sailing. Look at the colours. Oh, look at that moon.
Our passage from Rowe to Savu took 17 hours, with calm following seas and light winds. Expected yet frustrating, we did more motoring than sailing.
Dolphins to greet us to Savu. Look at them coming over from over there.
Hey guys!
Hello! So we just ran into a friend of Ollie and Lana's from Paradise, and they're on the wall here. Arman is the local guide. He pretty much saw us and snagged us up.
On the side of the road.
Oh, and yeah, obviously he's got kittens.
I love them all. They're so little and so cute. A little bit scabby, but yeah.
August, September. It's mainly September.
Savu and the neighbouring islands of Rajua and Radana are located in the Savu Sea, around 70 nautical miles northwest of Rowe Island. Savu is hot and dry, with grasslands dominating the landscape. During the dry season, streams run dry and locals rely on wells for their fresh water. White sand beaches and coral reefs line the coast. Coconut plantations provide a beautiful tropical backdrop. Savu is also on the surface map, with deep ocean swells pounding the southern coastline April till September. 1 month for one.
Oh my goodness. Hello. Just woke up from a nap. 1 month.
After this, you must briefing.
And then you push it down. Yeah.
Okay.
With what? With these?
Oh, this.
Oh, that one. Yep. I see. Many Savanese women are involved in traditional weaving, producing a sarong-type blanket called an ikat. Fine threads are woven into intricate stripe and floral designs. We were told it can take over a month to weave one ikat. We followed Arman on scooter to Kelabba Maja, a stunning canyon of rich-coloured rocks, cliffs and pillars. It reminded us a little of Bryce Canyon in Utah, USA, or even a very mini Grand Canyon. Yeah.
Nice little rock formations that are sitting very
Just hanging out
just hanging out.
after a bumpy scooter ride.
Yeah.
Bought a ikat.
Very expensive ikat.
I don't know, was it expensive? Who knows? $20?
20
Probably.
bucks, is that expensive?
Who knows?
Just hati.
Oh, this is cool. Yeah.
Siap. 1, 2. Mantap.
Oh, the photography skills are fantastic. It is said that the Savu tribe consider the nose as a symbol of kinship, and as such, the tradition of nose kissing is a common and widely used greeting regardless of status. Locals and tourists alike. Dylan even got a few.
Banana.
Bagus?
Bagus.
Maybe I brought it with us.
Yeah. You bring the crocodile.
Yeah.
Ini pun apa pun. Yes.
Yeah, look at those waves, Dylan.
Good beach here.
Yeah,
So
it's pretty.
if you like to swim.
Just swim, yeah.
Hi, I'm Arman. I'm showing Dylan and
Lauren.
Lauren. We around Savu. We see the Kelabba Maja and the good panorama in Savu.
Yeah.
Okay,
Bagus.
bagus. Terima
Beautiful.
kasih.
Terima kasih.
Sorry ya.
Yeah, that's good. What a view. What a spot. Look at our little hut.
Yeah.
So nice.
Arman's brought along some food for us, the banana.
What are these called? What's their name?
Nogosari.
Nogasari. Yummy. Look at that. Wrapped in banana leaf. Some sort of gelatin thing. Don't know. Good though.
If Savu it's very dry.
Very dry. Yeah.
Savu.
Yesterday at the pasar,
Yeah.
we walked up to the airport,
Oh yeah.
and then someone found us on a motorbike,
Yes.
and then we hopped on the back, and then he took us to the pasar.
Oh, you go to big pasar.
Yeah.
Big market.
Yeah,
Ah.
yeah. And we got some. What did we get? Some beans,
Beans for the boat.
vegetable. Yeah.
Vegetable.
Oh, and mango.
Mango.
Mhm.
And then.
But no kalapa.
Oh yeah. No,
Tidak.
tidak. Kelapa tidak jual.
We're inviting Arman onto the boat this afternoon as well.
So both of the front tyres on both of the bikes are flat. So we're stopping every 2 or 3 Ks just to top up the tyres. Pretty funny. So yeah, here we are at another place, pumping it up yet again. What an adventure.
So our friend Arman got us some Kelabba. We're just cutting one open now. Already sliced it.
Oh my god, yum!
Join us next time as we wave goodbye to Savu and make night passage to Sumba. We finally get some decent wind and explore a hidden waterfall with new friends. Oh, and suddenly our old friend Snake reappears.
Sea snake!
If you enjoyed this episode and would like to help us out, you can do so simply by liking, subscribing and sharing this video. Thanks, Blue Moonies.